Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग सीखेंगे व्हाट आर द स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड बाय द सेल्समैन। बहुत ही इजी टॉपिक है, बट पर्सनल सेलिंग पे मेरा पर्सनल ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि एग्जामिनर एक क्वेश्चन डालता है। So let us see skills one by one. For selling any product, the first important point is product knowledge. कोई भी सेल्समैन को प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पूरा नॉलेज होना चाहिए। एक्यूरेट एंड गुड इंफॉर्मेशन and good knowledge about the product will make him confident, because consumer may ask any doubt, suggestions, or any objections from consumer side. If handled properly with a proper product knowledge, would be definitely helpful for the personal salesman. Second important point is prospecting skills. What is a prospect? A prospect is any lead or any customer, any lead, I would say, who can be changed into a customer. Lead is लगता है कि ये बंदा खरीदेगा. Customer is the person who will buy, and consumer is the person who has bought the product and is using it. So a salesperson should properly identify his prospects so that he does not waste his time on people who are actually uninterested. Next point is active listening. In personal selling, a customer expects a salesman to give him explanation and suggestions. This is only possible when the salesman actually listens to the customer. So, active listening. What are the likes, dislikes of the customer? What the customer actually wants? I would say a salesman has to listen between the lines. The customer, when he speaks, the salesman has to understand his requirements better. Only then he would be able to provide better suggestions. So, active listening for a successful salesman is very important. Next is communication skills. What is personal selling? It is all about convincing, persuading, and persuading, right? So you have to convince and persuade your customer. For this, you require to have good communication and negotiation skills. What is negotiation? The customer may bargain with you. He may say, this price is high, or he may say, this is not the quality which he wants. There, the salesman has to convince, has to negotiate with him. He has to say that no ma'am, this is really a good quality product. Try, and if in case of doubts, get back to us. This type of convincing skills would help the salesman to grow. Next point is time management. A salesman, suppose, take an example. I have a retail shop wherein I am selling apparels, say ladies' kurtis. Right now, I have two salesmen, and it is a peak season. I have 5 to 6 females entering the shop at the same time to buy kurtis. Of course, two salesmen have to cater to all the 6 of them. They have to manage their time and pay attention to all the 6 of them. So they should know, they should be able to prospect कि ये 6 में से कौन लगता है कि सबसे ज्यादा खरीद लेगी, फिर उसको ज्यादा ध्यान देके एट द सेम टाइम अदर्स आर शुड नॉट फील इग्नोर्ड. ये सबको टाइम को मैनेज करके ही हैज टू सेल मैक्सिमम. Next is handling objections. Say for example, in the apparel shop, a female may demand a pink color in a specific kurti. The salesman doesn't have a stock of it. So she may say, no, then I don't want to buy. The salesman has to convince her to buy some other color, praising her, saying that pink is out of trend. You have heard no people doing that. Yes, that is all marketing and personal selling. So handling objection is one of the major objective or the skill which a salesman has to develop. Next is demo skills. Wherever possible, the salesman should show the demo for the product. Say, for example, a makeup product. he can actually show how to use. Say, for example, a tea. He can actually make a small cup of tea for the customer if it is new in the market. So wherever possible, the salesman should show the demo, because it is well said, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So what the customer actually sees, that how the product is beneficial, he will buy the product. Next is after sales. This is very important. Customer always appreciates if after sales service is good. Also, the customer appreciates a good relationship from the salesman after the sale is done. Last but not the least, trust. Developing trust with the customer is the major skill which the salesman has to develop, because sometimes in service industry it is always said that salesman is selling himself and then he is selling the product. That is, if the customer trusts the salesman, he trusts the products and the service. So developing a trust with the customer is very important. I hope you understood the topic. Please like Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda for more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.